Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will dive into a strategy for finding and trading profitable meme coins on the Tron network. So, as the meme coin space grows, Tron has shown a significant potential, and we are going to walk through the step by step guide on how to discover hidden gems and maximize trading opportunities. But before that, we need to understand why Tron meme coins. So, Tron meme coins are gaining traction thanks to increasing liquidity and development of new apps for trading. So, Tron is relatively new as compared to other blockchains, and this presents an early mover advantage. Now, meme coins on Tron are less diluted than an chains like Solana, offering opportunities for those who know where to look. So one of the key platforms to explore the Tron meme coins is called Sun Pump. This is where the meme coins are created and trading before being listed on the SunSwap. Now, the main idea here is to target the coins that are in their early stages and haven't fully matured in the market cap. So, for example, many coins begin with a bonding curve starting from a lower market cap around 70k to 80k dollars. So, coins that have completed this curve and retest that price level often present a good entry point. So, waiting for this retest provides a lower risk opportunity. So when browsing through Sunpump, you need to focus on the coins that have maintained or are approaching their bonding curve level. You need to avoid the tokens that have dropped significantly in market cap and are below $40,000 or the $50,000, for instance, as they may lack the potential for recovery. Now, on the other hand, the coins with the higher market cap that hold their support levels around the 70 to $80,000 range are more likely to present profitable trading opportunities. Now, utilizing the right tools is also crucial to success. So, platforms like DEX tools can help you track the performance of the meme coins, letting you observe the trendings and the price movements. So Telegram bots can also provide the valuable insights into a coin's supply and holder distribution. In addition, searching for a coin's contract address on social media platforms like Twitter is a great way to gauge community interest. A strong active community often indicates a higher likelihood of the future growth. So when ready for the trade, platforms like AlphaDex provides a smooth experience with low transaction fees. So whether using market orders or setting limit orders, it is essential for you to plan trades carefully. Always incorporate risk management into your trading strategy. Set stop losses to minimize your potential downsides and aim for the realistic profit targets based on the key psychological levels such as $240,000 to $480,000 market cap. This strategy of identifying the meme coins on Tron, focusing on these, completing the bonding curve, and using community engagement tools offers a structured way to approach trading. So, as always, no strategy is foolproof, so proper risk management is essential. So, the link of all of these platforms are given down in the description so you can use them in order to start your Tron meme coin trading journey. Thank you so much for watching.